No more coughing and wash your hands. And we wouldn't have to make you eat honey and garlic. Although it's tasty and delicious. Cough syrup specifically. So how many jars of honey do you have in your cabinets? Because this is the second one. Like Loca honey from your area, that's great, but I just pulled mine out of the kitchen cabinet. Oh, it's been in the kitchen cabinet for a while because I had to microwave that crap to get it out. The third one. This is the fourth one. Fifth one, but I'm pretty sure that's like rock solid. I'd probably put other things in here like garlic and cinnamon. And here's our cough syrup. This is how I make it. Practice what I preach.